Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Rishikesh Nath Yogshala's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about an asana for sciatica. In order to do this asana, you lie down in Shavasana, just like the demonstrator is lying down right now. After this, gently bring your legs together and stretch your arms up. Be here for a moment and stretch your body. After this, you bend your right leg and rest the right ankle on the left thigh. After that, you bend your left leg and grab the left thigh by interlocking your fingers. Now gently inhale, and while exhaling, pull the left thigh towards your chest. You will feel a stretch in your hams, which gives relief in sciatica pain. You can hold the posture for a few minutes on both the sides and then release. You can practice the posture for a few minutes early morning and at night before you go to bed. Release and relax. That would be all for today. We will see you next time. Till then, Namaskaram.